Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Python is not recognized as an internal or external command error. Alright, so when you try to open up a command line in the run Python program like this, you may get this error that says Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. So how to fix it? So this error is because you don't have Python path in your system variable. So I'll explain what that is in a minute. So first, you want to go to where you installed Python. In my case, I've installed Python on C, Python 27. And then, so copy this path, and then go and here type environment variable, and then you'll see this. Click edit the system environment variable, and then click on environment variables, and then on system variables just type P, and then you'll find path, and then click edit, and then here go to the end of the line, add a semicolon, and then just paste the path, the Python path here, which in my case, it was C Python 27. Now press OK, and then press OK, and then press OK. Now just close this command window, open up a new command. Just type cmd to open up a new command. Now if you type Python, it should work this time. You did not get that error, and then Python was recognized. So the issue was when you type a command in a command line, so it goes to the system variable and then try to see if there is a path that defines your command here, which in this case it was Python. So it goes through all the paths that are in your variable, system variable, and then it finds the right program to run this. Thank you very much for watching.